guys, what we have here is a 2016 Okuma LB-45III CNC lathe. As you can see through the glass the best we can, there's a lot of limit switching on these machines, so it's tough to run the machine with the door open. Got a hydraulic tailstock in there, hydraulic steady rest, and a turret. All these are going to travel one way here in a minute through our programming. This has got an OSP P300L control, chip conveyor and chip pan, chiller. As you can see, guys, these machines are in really nice condition. Service techs that are here today told me 1 out of 10, these are definitely 8 or 9s. Very narrow passage. Just kind of giving you a full view of the machine. Beautiful, nice equipment. Don't find them in this kind of condition very often. Very well taken care of. Go ahead and open the doors. Go ahead and open the door. I'll open the door and give you a preview of the machine with the doors open. The sheet metal's in good condition. Nice large chuck. There's your steady rest, turret, and tailstock.